Hello everybody, this is my unboxing of my very first Massdrop. Because it's my first, I thought I would make it a little bit special by making a video of it. So let's get right into it. I think I made the order maybe a month ago from Massdrop.com for Gateron switches. The white, I'm not sure if it's called the clear white, but I bought 100 pieces of blue Cherry MX compatible keyboard switches for I think about $30 US. The wait was a little bit longer than I expected, but considering it's my first Massdrop, it went pretty well. I mean, like, I paid for it. It showed up on my door one day, and here they are. So it says right here, Gateron switch blue, 100 pieces of it. Yeah, that's definitely clicky. Compared to the white ones that I have here. So maybe I should have talked about it a little bit more before I open the box. Right now I'm working on my custom keyboard just for fun, based on the Teensy 2.0 controller. Just as a side project slash hobby, because making keyboard is it's a lot of fun. I get to play with electronics, and I get to meet cool people. I actually bought these white switches from zillpc.net. Super nice guy. Couldn't be happier. I talk to him regularly now. He's a super cool dude. I like him a lot. Of course, Massdrop is not as personal as zillpc.net, but it's actually quite cheap for what I get, and especially since I live in Vancouver, BC, Canada. We don't get the access to the goods and products that our American friends get. So it wasn't a bad shopping experience. So yeah, that's about it, and I really hope this video turns out well enough to be worthy of YouTube, but I guess I'll find out. Peace.